You ready to get up, Mama? We step in. You want to get up? We get some breakfast? Did your dad do a good job making your breakfast this morning? Did you love it? How about you? Was your breakfast satisfactory? I heard you had a heaping amount of peanut butter. She's like, yeah, it was all right. Do you need to go poop? You are looking so handsome and moisturized after your spa day. Look at that moisturized nose. Yeah, Aquaphor for the win, huh? You looking good? You smelling good? Got your teeth brushed? If only you didn't act like Cujo when I tried to trim your nails. Stop spending money on expensive solutions. Aquaphor works great for their little noses. You didn't even wait for me to get comfortable before you got comfortable. V, do you want to come up here or do you want to sit on the couch? She's just an independent woman. Living her best life. Did it get too hot for you guys? Alright, see you later. I'm gonna hang outside if you guys want to join me. But if it's too hot, you just sit in the doorway. Okay, bye. Hey, beautiful. Henry's out here. Do you want to come sunbathe? We're gonna get a suntan? Honey, your daddy went to the grocery store. Mama, your daddy went to the grocery store. Yeah, he getting us some snacks. You want me to bring your stairs over? You want me to bring your stairs over?